Okay, here's a video on how to connect your pool light transformer, your pool light to your transformer. So you start by having two cables like this. As an example, you need to feed a cable like this. All the way through. Now this is going to have two sockets on either end that you need to put in. So screw them in nice and tight. One. Two. Oh, we missed it. Let's start again. Start this side again. There we go. Great. So now we've got that side done. We now need to do the same for this side. So through the collar, then through the grommet. This way. Like so. Through the main body. Like so. We need to make sure our wires are nice and clear. Let's do one first. Done. Now the other. Right, we'll start this side again. Get these tight. These are definitely open. Yep. Alright, so we'll start this again. Put them both into their respective holes. So. One and two. And you've got it like that. Bring the housing over, like so. That will screw up and you've got the O-ring in the middle there to keep it nice and tight, sealed. And now this will screw up on either end to protect the wires, like so. And same with this side. Plumb it in. Nice and tight. You can see the seal around the cable is watertight. Now